Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, brand new weekly vlog. All right, we're here. It's our first official week of May. Oh yeah. I just made the ultimate breakfast bowl, okay? I did some seasoned savory grits. I did some scrambled eggs, like a kind of scrambled eggs with some spinach that I wilted down in there. We had some bacon that my husband made yesterday. So I just kind of cut up some bacon, cut up some fresh green or spring onions. And yeah, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Oh my goodness. I am so ready to chow down on this. It looks so delicious. Just take it all in. Oh my goodness. So nice and warm. And the crazy thing about it is, last week it was in the 90s. Oh yeah, today the high was 72. 72 was the high. It's gloomy. It was foggy this morning. It looks terrible. But you know what? It's nice and it's a little cooler, which is nice. So hopefully we have a little bit of that consistency before it really starts to get up in those higher temperatures. For my drink today, I'm actually going to be doing the Coca-Cola Cherry Zero Sugar. So that's what I'll be having. Oh, good grief, and the neighbor's dog. And then this is my water cup for the week, so I'll go ahead and refill that as well. I actually had 2 cups of coffee today. That's how tired I was on a Monday. But I had 2 cups of coffee today at work, so I think I might be okay on the coffee. If anything, I'll probably make myself a little bit of tea on the stovetop. But other than that, I should be good to go. My husband's eating his meal that he made yesterday, which was, he did spaghetti. And so he has that and a salad that he's munching on over here, but I cannot wait to dig into this bowl because it is calling my name. I was thinking about this all day today. All right, so Monday, May the 6th, it's 4:24 p.m., 72 degrees. We have one of the windows open because it's kind of cool in the house. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start chowing down. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all back here, same time, same place, right back on the channel. Take care. Bye.
Hey, yo, you know what it's
That's what we needed to figure out.
Whiskers.
Hey
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday, hump day, and it is the 8th of May. So yesterday I showed you guys a little bit of a clip only because my nephew was here, and literally when he's here, I gotta watch him. He was trying to eat my dried fruit, okay? I have to watch this little boy and make sure and see what he's into and up to at all times. So it was basically just me reheating some chicken enchiladas, which I made on, I wanna say Sunday. Sunday. So yeah, basically that was what I had yesterday to break my fast with. Today I am actually gonna be having some spaghetti. So I made my nephew spaghetti yesterday. Today I'm having the same spaghetti. My husband made this earlier, I wanna say Sunday as well. So I have a little plate of spaghetti with some sauce and some Parmesan cheese, and I have 2 little garlic knots here on the side to go with it. Today it is, I wanna say 86 right now. So it's beautiful outside. It's bright and sunny, and it's just absolutely beautiful. But when it gets warm like that, it makes me wanna kinda eat less. I'm not sure how you guys, how y'all feel, but when it starts to get warm or hot, or kind of that humidity, that sticky hot, it makes me, for some reason, my appetite is not quite there. Even though I've literally fasted the entire day, my appetite is like, okay, I want to eat, but I don't want to eat as much. So my appetite starts to come down a little bit. I do notice, but we shall see how the rest of the summer will go with that. For bubbles today, I have a Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, and then I will actually make some iced coffee. I should have went ahead and just turned on the Keurig and made the coffee so it could kind of cool down a little bit, but either way, I'm gonna definitely put some ice in there because I definitely want an iced coffee. Like it's that warm. And it's a stupid fly flying around here that somehow got in, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to give you guys a brief update. I think the rest of the week should be okay. I want to say that it's going to start raining all next week, which kind of sucks. So I'm going to try my best to kind of get out and walk as much as I possibly can and just kind of get a little exercise. Now, next week we have a trip. We do have a trip coming up, so we'll be out of here. So, but I'll show you guys what I'm eating and breaking my fast with. Even if it's pictures, I'll at least show you guys so that you can see all the yummy food that's out there. But anyway, I will talk with you all later. I'll see you guys later. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday. It is almost Friday. We are one day away. It's the 9th of May. And I wanted to show you guys a little of what I made. I didn't actually make this, thankfully. My coworker did. She and I have been swapping recipes on Instagram and just basically trying out new things. And so she actually made me crab stuffed egg rolls. So kind of like crab cake in an egg roll form. So she brought these to me this morning at work, and I just popped them right into the air fryer just to kind of crisp them up a little bit because they were kind of a little limp when she gave them to me because they're not fresh. So you really got to crisp them right back up. But yeah, they look great. I cannot wait to taste them. I should have actually just kind of cut them in half just so I could see a little bit of that filling. And then we stopped at the tropical fruit smoothie, and I ended up getting an acai bowl because I didn't want anything super duper heavy. Like I said, my appetite's kind of been simmering down a bit. But for bubbles, I am going to be doing the Dr. Pepper Cherry Zero Sugar. That's what I have for my bubbles. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. That'll just mean more leftovers for us tomorrow. We're just going to basically eating up whatever's in the house. I did take out some hamburgers to make for Saturday. So we're going to my dad's to help out with some yard work as per usual. And then whenever we go down there, usually he likes for, especially in the nicer, warmer weather, to do something on the grill. So I took out some hamburgers. He had some hot dogs already at his house. So I was like, look, we're gonna grab some buns and we're gonna slap this stuff together. We're gonna make this a meal. So that's what we're having on Saturday, but I already took it out. So it's just kind of defrosting. And what I'll do is I'll just kind of season up the hamburgers and stuff like that before we go to visit him on Saturday. So I think that's pretty much all I have as far as this week goes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Today's a lot less, it's not as hot. It's about, I'm gonna say maybe 70 degrees. Yeah, it's kind of cloudy as you can see. It's not very bright, but it's a little cloudy, but only 70 today, which is nice. Yesterday, I wanted to say it was like up to 85 or so. It was really nice and warm. It was such a beautiful day, but today it's a little bit more overcast, but still the temperature is pretty decent. As long as it's 70s, it's consistent and I'm okay with that. But I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday, thank goodness. Yes, just take it all in, soak it all in. It's finally Friday, we made it, okay? So bills are paid, work is done, I'm now home, I'm off the road, wonderful. It's raining all day, it's ugly, and then tomorrow we have yard work at my dad's house, so I'm not exactly sure how that's gonna go, but I already prepped food to put on the grill for tomorrow, so hopefully it'll go okay. For today, since it was Nurses Week, basically Happy Nurses Week to all those who are in that medical field. They had a couple of the reps come in and they brought food, and today's was Lido pizza. So I brought home some extra pizza because they had so much. Like literally our refrigerator at work is full of food. So today I just went ahead and grabbed some extra pizza from the Nurses Week, Lido's Pizzas. I have a couple little squares of cheese and then 2 squares of pepperoni basically. And I just kind of doctored it up like I usually do, just a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and then the Italian seasoning. So that's what I have on there. And then since we're gonna be out of town next week, wanted to go ahead and eat up whatever we had in the fridge. So my husband made us salads, minus the fork here. So my husband made us some salads. So it's the leftover, we had some spring mix and then a leftover spinach. And then I used, as per usual, the creamy Caesar dressing, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, some little bacon bits there. He did a little bit of black cracked pepper. I had 1 pepper, like sweet pepper left. So we kind of cut that up. That's where you see the little orange pepper there. And then we also had some cucumbers. So he went ahead and sliced those up and put them in the salad as well. So basically we're just trying to clean out and eat up whatever we have left here, for the week. So we will be prepping some food for next week, but it will not be in a huge amount. It's gonna be enough, but nothing major. So we don't wanna, cook a whole week's worth of food and then we go on vacation and then the food kind of goes to waste. So we'll be taking a look and see what we have in there and seeing what meals we can kind of throw together with that. And yeah, that's what we'll take it from there. So it's Coffee Fridays. My husband usually does a Dunkin' run. So we got our midnight black coffee, which I love. I actually just put a little bit of coffee creamer in here and then my Atkins. So I can have a little bit of protein coffee for the day and that'll get me through to tomorrow until we can get, cook the food on the grill. But yeah, that's it. Today was the 10th. Yes, everything's taken care of for the most part. So right now we're doing good. I'm gonna start packing. I thought I was gonna have my nephew today, but I did not. He's actually at grandpa's house, so he's enjoying his time over there with them and visiting, so perfectly fine. I want them to enjoy seeing him and, embracing him and all that good stuff. So I'll probably have him the week we come back from our vacation. But other than that, I think that's pretty much it. Just wanted to keep you guys updated on everything. So hopefully tomorrow yard work can get done quickly. And then we can go ahead and toss some food on the grill and just kind of visit with Dad for a bit. But I will catch you all here later tomorrow. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday. Today is the 12th of May. And I am finally back home in my kitchen. My husband actually, while I was going out this morning, went ahead and made a few items. So I just wanted to show you guys what he made. I want to say he did a chocolate chip pancake because he saved me a pancake. And then he also made some tater tots. So he just kind of, I guess, flash fried a little tater tots. And I have some leftover food from yesterday that I made on the grill at my dad's house. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. All right, so it was regular burgers. I got a couple burgers here and 1 burnt hot dog, which if you are from this area, the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area, we love a good burnt hot dog. That 1 chocolate chip pancake that he saved me, which is perfect. I'm gonna have that with a little bit of this maple syrup. I had cut up some onions and tomatoes yesterday when I was at my dad's house because I made this on his grill. So I have some of that to go with it, a little ketchup there. And then finally, my husband made tater tots today. So this is what he saved, which was great because I don't need all of them, but it'll somehow be going with this meal somehow. I'm gonna make a way. So I have my water cup here. I'm about to go ahead and make myself a coffee at my little coffee station. And then I have a Mountain Dew Zero Sugar Baja Blast. Yes, if you guys love Taco Bell and you love the Mountain Dew Baja Blast, they do have it in zero sugar. I found this at the local Safeway grocery store. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be having for bubbles today. And again, I'm going to make my little coffee here in a second. So just wanted to remind you guys that this week we are leaving on Saturday to head out to vacation. We are going to a resort. So everything will be included. Drinks, food, lots of stuff. So I'm not even going to sit here and restrict myself. If I want snacks, if I want to try something different, if I, want to have a drink, I don't necessarily need to fast. I'm just going to be enjoying a little bit of our vacation. It's very short. It's not like a 2-week vacation. It is literally like, I think 4 days, 3 nights. So while we are out of town and having a good time, I'm going to have me a good time. All right. I'm not going to go overboard, but I'm definitely not going to restrict myself either. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little rundown. That's usually how I would do it. So we're not going to be making too much food this week. In fact, we're probably just going to be finishing up whatever leftovers we still have from last week. And then my husband sauteed his regular every week, load of chicken. So I have some bread at the top. I'm going to probably be making like a grilled cheese, chicken pesto sandwich type of thing. So yeah, we'll definitely be eating up whatever's in this fridge. And then I think since we're leaving on Saturday, Friday, we're probably just going to grab something to have for that particular day. And then Saturday will be, of course, at the resort. So yeah, that'll be good. I'll trying my best, y'all, to show you the food and the different things that they do offer here at the resort. But if you're not interested in that, that's perfectly fine. I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. So I will see you all here tomorrow, the start of a brand new weekly vlog, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care, guys. Bye.